Welcome back, Power Automate enthusiast. Today we are diving into something that will make your flows smarter and more responsive. Conditions. So grab your detective hat because we are about to uncover the secret of decision making in automation. What exactly are conditions? Think of them as a decision maker of your flow. They check whether something is true or false, then branch the flow accordingly. Use a condition to specify that a flow performs one or more tasks only if a condition is met. Yes or no, true or false. It's that simple. Now, why use conditions? Well, they add logic to your flows, simplifying complex automation tasks and enabling you to customize action based on dynamic data. Conditions are like the control panel of your flow, making sure the right action happens at the right time. Let's look at some example of condition in actions. We are using a SharePoint list project task with fields like title, description, assigned to, due date, comments, estimation duration or estimation hours. So let's see one example. Task assignment reminder example. In this example, we will send an email reminder if task hasn't been assigned to anyone. The condition will check if the assigned to field is empty. If so, we notify the team lead to get someone on the task. Let's quickly create a Power Automate flow. Automated cloud flows, and when an item is created in SharePoint list. I'm going to set the site address to boxes dev and list name is project task. Let's quickly add an action condition. Just click on control and select condition, or you can just simply type the condition. Now what we are going to check? We are going to check if assigned to is equal to null, then we are going to send a reminder to team lead. Just click here, choose a value, and value, just click on here data from previous steps. Click here and just search assigned to and select assigned to is equal to no. Just click on expression and just type here no. If assigned to is equal to null, okay, then what we are going to do, we are based on the true and false condition, we are going to send an email. So if assigned to is equal to null is true, then what we are going to do, we are going to send an email. Okay, send an email and send an email. To whom we are going to send an email? So we are going to send an email to Voxes, and subject would be task assignment reminder action required. Okay, and hi, this is a reminder that the task in the project task list with the title, and we are going to get title from here. Title remains and assigned. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just save my Power Automate flow. I'm going to just name it. I'm going to name my Power Automate flow to task assignment reminder. Again, save it. And now let's create a record in our SharePoint list where we are not going to add assign to. Now title would be, click on new task and UAT deployment, deploy solutions to UAT. And I'm not going to enter anything in assign to, and due date is going to be next week. And I'm just going to copy and paste my comment in this one. Now save this record. Let's see. Let's see the trigger of our flow. Just go back and refresh the run history. It will take, I guess, 10 to 15 seconds to trigger this Power Automate flow. Now we can see it is succeeded. Let's see, let's open this run. And now we can see when an item is added, and now we can see the condition satisfied, and now our flow has sent an email to the team lead. Let's see the email. Just click on the fill icon and click on Outlook. Now we can see the email. Hi, this is a reminder that task in the project task list with the title UAT deployment remains unassigned. Let's add one more new item, and where we are going to add assign to, like the person also. So it means our flow should not send email to team lead this time. Click on add new item and click on title. So I'm going to add update user guide and add new features sections to the existing user guide. Okay, and I'm going to assign it to Alex, and due date is going to be 20th, and comment will be view graph with stakeholders, and now estimate going to be 20. Let's save this record, and now let's check our Power Automate flow. It is going to take 10 to 15 seconds, and then we will see the run history of last run. Just click on refresh, keep refreshing so that we can see all the run history of our Power Automate flow. Now I can see the last run. Let's check this last run. Now you can see our flow ran successfully, but email not sent to the team lead. Let's see one more example, high priority task alert example. For this example, we are checking for high priority task by looking at the estimated duration in hours field. If the estimated exceeds 40 hours, a message is posted in Teams for immediate attention. It's like raising a red flag on a project or task. Now, in our flow, what we are going to do, we are going to make some changes. I'm going to remove this assign to and null also. And what I'm going to check here, the value of estimated hours. Estimated duration in hours is greater than is greater than 40. If it is greater than 40 hours, then what we are going to do, we are going to add an action inside true condition, and I'm going to search teams, and under teams see more, and I'm going to post a message, post message in a chat or channel. Yeah, I'm going to use this action, and flow vote, and I'm going to use group chat, chat with flow bot. Okay, I'm going to use this one. And participant, who's going to be participant? The participant we are going to use from our last action. So just type assign to email. Okay, so we are going to use this field to get the email of assign to. And what we are going to type here, hi, this is to inform you that new high priority task with the title. I'm going to use enter data from previous step, and I'm going to use title. Okay, the title, and I'm going to put it inside single quotes. The title has been assigned to you. Please prioritize this task and ensure it is completed promptly. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to save my Power Automate flow, and what we are going to do, we are going to create one more record in our SharePoint list. Now our Power Automate flow saved successfully, and one more thing, I'm going to rename my Power Automate flow name, Condition Power Automate. Okay. Now let's add a record in our SharePoint list, and the title is going to be develop login module, and description is going to be implement authentication and authorization, and it will be assigned to Voxtus, and due date is going to be okay, and comments integrate with Azure AD, and estimation duration is going to be 50 hours. And let's save our flow, our record, and let's go back to our Power Automate flow, and I'm going to check my condition one more time. Estimation duration is greater than 40. Okay, let's save and go back to flow run history. Go back and see yeah, it succeeded. It's open, and now we can see post message in a chat or channel. Now let's open our teams. I'm going to open my teams, and click on this workflows, and now we can see the same message here. Okay, hi, this is to inform you that the new high priority task with the name develop login module has been assigned to you. Please prioritize this task and ensure that it's complete promptly. Let's add one more example, one more task, and we are not going to we are not going to enter duration, estimated duration more than 40 hours this time. We are going to just we are going to enter less than 40 hours this time, and then we are going to see again our flow run. Okay, let's see. Let's create, and I'm going to use test payment gateway and description creation of payment gateway with sandbox mode. Okay, and assign to this time we are going to assign it to Voxtus, and due date, I'm going to select my due date here, and commence integrate with Azure AD, and estimated hours this time it is going to be 30 hours, and our condition is, let me just check our condition one more time. Okay, click on condition. So okay, it is greater than 40, so okay, that's fine. So I'm going to enter estimated duration 30. Now this time email or the message should not be sent to the assigned to user. Let's see our flow run. Let's go back to flow run history. Refresh. Now we can see our last one. Let's see. Yeah, now we can see this time it is, the condition is not true. That is why a message was not posted in chat, Teams chat. Yeah, so before we wrap up, let's go over a few tips. Always keep your conditions simple and clear for better readability. Use multiple conditions if your scenario is complex, and don't forget to test your conditions regularly to ensure they are working correctly. We are just getting started. Up next are more advanced sections. You don't want to miss it, so hit that subscribe button for more automation magic. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, conditions are here to make your flow smarter. Got questions or feedback? Reach out anytime. Until next time, happy automating.